Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Abdul Rahman. Yesterday ID is 23-21-01-17. Today I will to debate of the mid my project mid test is lecture debating. The topic of the debating is THBT International Sporting Event should remain in place. Okay. Which did the nature international sporting event remain the place? Okay. International sporting event of an official nature that is those requiring government representation, accreditation, or have been increasingly perceived as a vehicle for ideological and nationalist propaganda. As a result, national governments may intervene in or try to influence and anything from the venue of the kings, their arrangements, contents and rules, and the training programs of their own teams, the inconsistency of these teams. It is so that it's to the selection of the competitors and to the proposition for extra incentives or even punishments. The political abuse of worldwide sporting events can lead to their acquisition or interaction on the other land. Solution of this problem but does not necessarily lead to the elimination of political exploitation of religion. National and national interregional, interlinguistic, and interethnic games are sporting events associated with particular classes of society. Next, international sports events are intended to bring together competitors from different countries to compete in honest games. May the best man win with a regard to his race, country of origin, or political ideological as the world gets denser and increasingly politics. Anger and reform often leave the political arena and enter into sports, pulling down with them the hopes and aspirations of the sportsmen, who have spent years or even lifetime in preparation spectators to become pawns as governments take away the opportunities to relax and enjoy wholesome entertainment. Okay? Next, what's the background? The background of is the topic that is the oldest of the modern institutionalist international sports competition is the Olympic Games founded in the late 19th century. This athletic interchange ended the institutionalization of exchange of scholars and artists and were the first to be exploited. The incident of the Thai Olympic, the one is 1936 Olympic Games, which is the hosting Nazi rule Germany used to propagate its racial and national theories of supremacy were a mild example compared to the horrors of the multi-murders at the 1972 Games at Munich in the name of a foreign political cause. Third world champions withdrew from Montreal in 1976 in the protest against South Africa. The USA boycotted the 1920 Games in the Moscow as a result of the Soviet invasion of Afghanistan. And the Soviets retired by boycotting in 1984 Olympics hosted by the USA in Los Angeles. Sports laws, policies, and random acts of infiltration by countries vary in scope and kind. To influence the international outcomes, governmental support of athletic programs and exchange is now almost universal. The Scandinavian governments guarantee employment to cross-country skiing competitors. But the modest influence is dwarfed by the massive programs for nationalist sporting propaganda which have been engaged in by the former German Dar and the People's Republic of China. A college bonus system of super is used in the USA, and the cash bonus and military service relations system was employed by the former Soviet Union. The use or boycotting of international sporting competition to apply political pressure on South Africa was a new development wearing elements of nation for political exploitation of widely wide athletic events were made of the first time. Okay, the claim of the debate of the topic is no nation should regulate international athletic exchange to its political advantage. The Olympic Games other international competitive sporting events should be unpolluted by political currents. Athletic exchange, like other forms of international interaction, should be protected against governmental interaction. No future Olympics should be hosted by a superpower, given the increasingly tense atmosphere of world politics. It is inevitable that the Games will sometimes be used as response. The Olympics should instead be inserted to lesser powers who could content themselves ways changing an event that brings nations together and provides role models for the millions who see in the World Cup. The swimmer or the gymnast, only the profession were above the discipline and inspiration and not the ideology expressed by the government or expressed. Next of the claim counter is this possible to differ sport and politics, but it must be possible to protect sports from political exploitation. The influence of community intervention can be balanced, or in some countries like the USA, and the dominant factor in restricting undue political influence. Governmental influence can prevent communal exploitation. Voluntary private support of international competition fees in some countries some countries with government and confirm commerce for countries. As long as the Olympics is organized along nationalized national communities, national representatives to the International Olympic Committee, and national team sports, national governments will intervene to protect national interests. So, the conclusion of the topic debate is sport is a part and essential activity that comes in the rhythm of many games humans various disciplines. Though it doesn't come within the realism of balancing your family life, it is still a part of essential ingredient to your physical and mental well-being. Many award activity of the past post comes into the modern sports curricula in the form of archery and fencing, martial arts, and wrestling, the Olympic Games. In a bigger perspective, sports of Olympic Games commonly refer to activities where the physical capabilities of the competitor are the sole or primary determinant of the outcome of winning or losing. However, coming closer to home, irrationally, during the past few years, sports have broken all these subjective norms and entered a new area called politicization. Not only has it infiltrated the crooked political animals that live to survive on any scrap that is available, but also the stooks that march behind these politicals to keep picking on. Okay, guys, thank you for the about my project. Lesson lecture is debating. Thank you. I'm so sorry for my word and my say missing. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.